Hello everyone and welcome to the next tutorial. Just a recap on what we did in the previous tutorial. We edited the menu. So we organized the menu items, we separated everything with dividers and subheadings. So everything's nice and chunked together and it's easy for students to find information. So now, for this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to actually add content to the various links. So we're going to start out by adding a course announcement, and then we're going to add the instructor information. So first, let's do course announcements. First thing you want to do is you want to click on course announcements. Okay, and here you can create announcements. Okay, so now we're going to create an announcement. So your first announcement, let's do welcome to the class announcement. So we'll do welcome to the class. And you can write whatever you want. So I'll just, for the sake of the tutorial, I'll just write welcome everyone to advanced composition. (11:23). I'm looking forward to a great semester. And you can add whatever else you want. So just as an example, I'll just type that one sentence in there. And then go down. So you just want to leave it open. So for the duration, put not date restricted. And if you want, you can send an email. So every time you have set up an announcement, you can do it to where it automatically goes to the student's email as well. So all you do for that is you check this box right here. So whenever you create an announcement, they'll get it in their email. So that's a good way for them to actually see the announcements. And go down, and then click on submit. And there you go. There's your first announcement. So when your students log in to Blackboard, they'll see that announcement. Let me show you this in the student view real quick. So I'm going to go back to the U of A homepage in Blackboard. And then right there, you see, in my courses, I got an announcement. It says, welcome to the class. So if you click on that, it'll say, welcome everyone to Advanced Composition. I'm looking forward to a great semester. So they get that announcement on their Blackboard homepage, where it lists all their courses. So let's go back here. So now we did course announcements. Next, we're going to do instructor. So we're going to add content about the instructor. So you're going to click on instructor. And you've got your text edit box here. So I've got some instructor information for another English instructor that I created a Blackboard page for. So I'm just going to use his information. I got permission from him and he doesn't mind. So what I'm going to do is first thing I want to do is I want to enter text. So I already have all the text. Okay, so I got all his information right here in a Word file. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, right click, copy, open up Blackboard, and I'm going to paste it. Now, sometimes when you copy and paste from a Word document, the formatting kind of messes up a little bit. So what you could do is you can use something called a mashup tool, which is right there. So just check that down pointing arrow, and you want to paste from Word. So click on that. Okay, now I copied it, so I'm just going to right click and click on paste. Allow access. And there you go. So that's the instructor information I copied from a Word file. I'm going to submit. Alright, there you go. I have all this information right there. So now I want to add an image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the attach image icon right there. And I'm going to browse my computer. Now I have everything on my desktop in a folder called Blackboard Files. And there's an image right there. I'm going to open, submit. And again, you're going to get this box right here where you can edit the size. So for all text, I'm going to type in image of instructor. Open a new window, no. And I'm going to set the width at 250 by 250. Again, you can set the size whatever you want. Again, border, it's up to you. It's your own preference. I usually do 1 or 2. Go down, click on submit, and it's going to show you the image before you actually add it to your page. Click on submit, and there you go. So we've got the image of the instructor, and we've got a brief description about the instructor. When you're all done, scroll down. Permit users to view the content, yes. Track number of views, I put no. Select date and time restrictions, I just leave it open. There's no reason to set a restriction on that. Click on Submit. Alright, after you click on Submit, everything should be in there. So let's check it out. Let's click on Instructor. And there you go. There's the image and a brief description about the instructor. Now, if you notice, I have the edit mode off, so this is kind of what the students will see. Now, again, in this view, you're going to see all the course management stuff right here. So I'm going to go to the other page I have where I'm a student in this sandbox course and give you an actual view of what students will see. Okay, so this is a page of what the students will actually see. And so if students click on announcements, you see there's an announcement right there, the Welcome to Advanced Composition announcement. Students click on instructor now. There you go. So they'll see the image and just a brief description about the instructor. So that's it for this set of tutorials, guys. A great job. You're getting there. So next, complete the tasks and activities and then move on to the next tutorial. Thank you, guys. And again, great job.